Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to rotate TCL TV picture upside down. So in order to do it, what you need to do is from the home screen, you just have to swipe up to display all applications. After that, you need to navigate to the settings that would look something like this, where you can see a gear icon. So in the settings, you just have to simply go to the accessibility. You need to tap on the auto rotate screen switch to turn on if you want to turn it on and turn off if you want to turn it off. Screen rotation displays content in landscape, that is horizontal or portrait vertical, and isn't available for all the applications. So when on, you just have to simply turn the device to change the view. So this way you will be able to change the view of your TCL TV picture and you will be able to make it upside down. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.